Got a prepaid card? Here's how to link it to Cash App in just a few steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So what is a prepaid card? A prepaid card is a payment card that you load with your money before using it, not linked directly to a bank account. And so you use it to send or receive money on Cash App. So how to link your prepaid card to your Cash App? Launch Cash App on your phone, then tap the bank account or My Cash tab at the bottom. Now look for the option to add a new bank or card. Then fill in your prepaid card number, expiry date, CVV, and zip code. And lastly, tap Add Card or Save to link your prepaid card. And here's an important note. Not all prepaid cards are supported, so check with your card provider. Link allows you to fund your Cash App balance or make appointment. If you have any trouble, try contact Cash App support. And here's my final thought. Linking your prepaid card to Cash App gives you flexibility to manage money without a bank account, and it's super simple and quite easy. If this video helped you out, like this video, comment down below, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.